So guys, we will go to the animal zoo.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with Kaden and the family and Mom Dukes.
Wait, my hair look crazy.
Kaden,
Hello.
what we gonna go do today?
We're gonna go out to see the feed the pets.
The pets?
Yes.
What's one of your favorite animals?
Big giraffe.
The big giraffe?
Yes.
Hopefully we see a giraffe today, right? We're gonna get lit, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Sirski.
Yes, sorry, Ski.
Go ahead, describe your fit.
So, what we do today, Uncle?
You wanna hold the camera?
Yeah. What we do
gotta make
today,
sense.
Uncle?
Today we're gonna go see lions. We're gonna see tigers. We're gonna see
With the number dogs, like
maybe wolves. We might see wolves.
No.
No wolves.
we see giraffe.
Animals, any animals that you could feed.
Yes, any animal.
Oh, so we're gonna see pigs, goats, llamas.
And tigers, but no.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna find the animals at the zoo. So there is a horse, hippo, alligator.
You think you can feed a hippo?
Yeah.
Think you can feed an alligator?
Yes, I can do
An
it.
alligator?
Alligator is my favorite. What?
We here, Kaden.
Where? I don't see it.
Oh, you gotta look. It's that way over there.
We're gonna see. So guys, we will go to the animal zoo. So there's animals. You have to be watching it. We're gonna see the llama. What's next, Uncle?
But yeah, guys, we're gonna go feed the llamas. Kaden.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you sure the llama's gonna be okay?
Yeah, I think the llama's gonna be just alright.
Are you sure the one's gonna bite the llamas?
I ain't gonna lie, this sun busting right now.
Right
How
there.
does it look, Quentin?
Look valid, bro.
Llamas look good.
Thank you.
Oh, your hair good.
Just my
To the left.
To the left, take it back now, y'all.
No, to the left.
One hop this time. Right foot, left stomp. Left foot, left stomp. Free. Everybody clap your hand.
Charlie Brown.
Wait.
Thank you.
Let's get out. Let's go. We go first.
Are we? You ready to see the animals?
Yes! Vlog!
I am vlogging.
We're gonna go to see the animals. Okay, Vlog? We're gonna go. So we're gonna see the animals. Where we have to go?
Tucking that chain?
No, don't tuck the chain in. Keep the chain.
I got it.
Oh, you think one of these little ones gonna take your chain? Nobody gonna take your chain, right?
No.
So yeah, because I'm dead.
No.
He done.
Wait.
Okay, so come on, let's come back.
No.
Oh,
Oh,
look.
wait.
We have to throw it.
Yes, sir.
No, throw it.
No, you have to throw it. No,
Wait.
I got this.
Careful.
No, I got this.
No, I got it.
No, big boys can't do
Carl,
it.
record for me. Let's
Okay.
record this way.
Okay.
That's what he said here, all this little ass shit.
It's recording that way. This way, look. Yee! Come right here.
No, why you didn't?
Come right here, come right here.
Come on the
Come right
chair.
here, come right here, come right here. Get me, record me. Record me. Get it, record me. Look
No,
right here, look,
it's
record me.
funny.
It's okay, after me, record me.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. You go first.
I'm gonna record you.
Be careful. Wait. No, don't do it like come.
Go, Kaden.
Don't do it like Uncle. Come right here. Hold Uncle hand. How you sit? Be careful.
Yeah.
Hey, look.
Try that.
Smile for me. Give me a big smile.
Yes.
Yes.
Sweet. Switch the engine, Kaden. Switch the engine.
Okay. The sky hard.
Escada.
The sky pointing to you.
Huh, Kaden? Feed him, huh?
Why? Cow. Oh! 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 It's like the whole thing. It's like the whole thing.
You gotta know when to let go, okay?
Cow. Cow, here. Here. Cow, here. Good cow. Buddy. Here, Buddy. You like it? Buddy, he likes it. Oh, he just took it from me. Control her fingers.
No.
Control her fingers.
No.
Control her fingers.
No.
Right here. Just let it turn around.
Take your time, Papa.
Sitting down. That was awesome.
That was awesome?
Yes! Our turn. See, he's
Kaden. Happy Easter. Kaden, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
To the duck. Hold the duck. Hug the duck. Love the duck.
Cheese.
It's gonna be our turn next.
Go ahead, take the photo. Hungry? Stop.
Hold on to her.
Yes!
No,
What you want to eat?
Leave.
Leaves? Okay, here you go.
Hey! Okay, baby, eat it.
No, don't eat that.
Why?
No, don't eat that.
You like
Here we go.
Guys, feed
Yes,
us with her.
sir.
Yes, sir, ski.
Yes, sir, ski.
Oh.
Look, oh.
We in a hard way, guys.
Yes, sir.
What we doing? What we doing? Yeah.
What animal did you see?
I saw a giraffe and a hippo.
A hippo?
Yes. Oh, I saw a hippo.
Did you see an alligator?
Yes.
Did you see a lion?
That's your obedience, the state test.
Did you see a tiger?
Yes.
Did you see a pig?
Not yet.
Did you see a llama?
Not yet.
Yeah, you seen a llama.
No, it's not.
Remember when we first came in?
Some soul.
You was feeding a llama. Did you see a cow?
Yes.
Yeah, did you feed the cow?
Yes.
Yes. No, this is a cow. I mean, this is a pig. This is a llama. Okay, come back to the cow. Cow. What's this? A goat. Kaden, make a sand castle for me. Make a corn castle for me. Scoop a lot, scoop a lot. Scoop it, scoop it.
So now look. Look at me.
That moving is good.
So now look it. Pull it down.
Kaden, look, squeeze it.
Squeeze it right here. You squeezing it, Papa? There you go.
Yes.
Right here.
I got on my jeans.
Where's the nut?
Like it?
Kaden, look.
Right there. That's
Kaden, look.